Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make group chat on Gmail. Okay, after you open your Gmail on your phone, if you want to create a group chat, you have to click on this button. Alright, but if the button doesn't appear right here, you gotta go to your settings menu by tapping this button. And then scroll down your screen and find settings menu. It's right here. Click on it and select the account that you want to use to make a group chat. And scroll down your screen and find chat option. It's right here. And you gotta make sure that this button has shown up right here. This checklist button. Alright, and you can go back to the primary screen and click the button that I have told you before. It's right here. Alright. And you can create new space to make a group chat. Right here. Click new space and click create a space. Right here. And then type the space name and click next. And search people that you want to add to your group chat. Alright. You can add some people. And after that, you can click done. And wait for a moment, guys. And alright. Now the group chat has been created, and you can send your chat or send file, or maybe you can invite people right here. And that's how we can make a group chat on Gmail, guys. Thanks for watching.